Okay, so this is the lad CX5 and from 2016, and it fits. So Mazda actually kept the same wheel machining on this as they did on the CX50, the 2024 CX50 we have. So that's good news. I should be able to do a vertical balance on it. We'll stick this one quickly on the sawhorses. Just have a look, see how it's doing. Okay, so I've got the wheel up on the sawhorses and we're spinning it because this particular Goodyear tyre has got that waviness problem on the inside, which is really hard to see, but you can feel it. So this tread is wavy, that's the inside one. Smooth, 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 smooth. It's just this one. For some reason, cheap Goodyear tyres do that. But balance-wise, I think it's still pretty good. We'll check it, see if it drops back anywhere. Seems to fit almost anywhere it wants to. And it's got a little bit of imbalance in it. Yeah, it kind of looks like it might have a heavy spot. No, I don't know. You know, this is probably okay. I bet this is probably okay. Which it was balanced previously, horizontal method. So anyway, yeah, it works great. So I can do two cars now with the same 3D print adapters. That's great. Alright, that's all I wanted to say. See you next time.